Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Carry here. So today we are going to explain the topic make available offline option. Alright. So if we go into the file menu and we click on the file menu, we got an option that make available offline. Right. So what is that? Right. So we will see that in this video. So before starting the video, I just want the user and the guys who are new on my channel on this video, please do subscribe my channel by clicking on the red icon button, right, and on the notification so that the upcoming videos notification come to you directly, right. So let's start with the video. So if I go into the file menu and then I have a make available offline option, right. So what is that? So for example, we all know that Google Docs is an online service, right, and we cannot use it without internet. We need internet to access the Google Docs file, right. So the reason behind is make available offline is to make your document offline also available, right. So what is how can I do that? For example, I have done some changes and I have marked it like a mark available offline, right. Now what is the benefit of that is I can view this document offline also. How can I do that? For example, I just disconnect my internet. So I disconnect it, right. So I will try to open now something. So you guys can see now no internet, right. So let's try to open this file. You guys can see the beauty, right. I am able to view that file without internet. So that is the benefit of make available offline. What is that? If I have done any changes into my Google Doc, I saved it and I have marked it as a make available offline. In case I do not have an internet, but I can open that file, right, the way I have opened here, right. So hope you this thing is clear to you guys, right. So if you want to like undo it, then just click on it and you guys can see that the make available offline option is now reverted, right. So that is how you can use the make available offline option. So hope you guys understand this topic. If you guys have any query, question, just comment into the comment box, right. And what is your view about the videos? Just comment into the comment box and please do like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.